everyone. Hope you all are doing great, and I cannot tell you how happy I am to be on this long video on a camera after so long. And today's video is gonna be a very honest video from the core of my heart, and this is also again about the books. And in this video, I will be telling you about my experiences of not reading and how I've been feeling of not being in a very constant touch with my books. I've been always talking about how to read, different tips and tricks of being a continuous reader. But honestly, guys, I haven't read for a month. I mean, I have read for one or two lines, but I've not read like I used to read earlier, having this habit of early morning and then before going to bed, having one or two chapters. That is something which I haven't done. Even if I've done very small reading, I've done for my shorts itself. So today I'm going to tell you that what changes I have observed not being a reader for a month, and this transition from being a very constant reader continuously for years and then suddenly dropping it for a month. Was there a change? Is there something changed in my mindset or me? That is something that we are going to see in this video today. So please stay connected and please get to know. Today I'll tell you the basic key of what can help you to read if you are not a reader. This is a must video. Okay. Okay, so before I start, let me tell you the reason that what made me not being in constant touch with my books. So, very recently, things have changed in my life, and my daily routine have been changed. There are a lot of changes around, lot of changes in my mind, and this made me a little busy in my head as well and in my time as well. So I was not honestly getting time to read. Like I was off to bed at 8 or 9 in the night, and I was honestly not getting time. I was not in touch of my books just because of lack of time. Next is when I realized that I'm not in touch with my books. Past 10 days, because I'm completely alone, I'm like, I have no work to do as well, and I'm completely free. So, this free time has been a kind of boon for me from past months because I like read anything, like I just read like anything, but I have seen this change in myself. I was not doing anything. I was just resting, taking care of myself, learning something new, but not my books. I was not touching my books. So then that was the time when I realized that there is a detachment which I felt with my books. So I thought of coming back on my track because the kind of procrastination I felt recently. So I thought of let us start with this honest conversation that what made me to detach with my books. So what have I realized not being in touch with my books? So number one, and then the most primary stuff that I'm going to share with you all is I realized that pain and suffering is very important in life. जब तक आपको दुख नहीं होता है ना, आप हेल्पिंग हैंड नहीं पकड़ते हो, आप एक सोर्स नहीं पकड़ते हो। जब आप पीस हैं, बड़े कंटेंट है लाइफ में, जैसे कि मेरी अभी स्थिति है, आई एम एट पीस, वेरी कंटेंटेड, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन आई समवेयर और द अदर फेल्ट दैट देयर इज नो नीड to have a mentor around, which I always felt in my past month. So this is the stuff which I realized कि दुख की वैल्यू क्या है, पेन की वैल्यू क्या है, बिकॉज वो जो तकलीफ में आप रहते हो एंड आप एक हाथ पकड़ते हो, वो चाहे कोई किताब ही क्यों ना हो, और उस टाइम पे वो आपको कितना स्ट्रांग बना देती है कि जब उसका रिजल्ट आउट होने वाला होता है, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल नाउ यू कैन से दैट यस द रिजल्ट आउट्स वाला स्टफ है, आई एम एट पीस। और ये सब कुछ क्यों हुआ? बिकॉज ऑफ दोज बुक्स। एंड बिकॉज आई एम एट पीस राइट नाउ, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई तकलीफ नहीं है, कोई एंगजाइटी नहीं है, कोई यू कैन से कोई दुख या कोई दर्द नहीं है, तो आई एम नॉट इवन गोइंग टूवर्ड्स माई बुक। दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टफ विच आई रियलाइज्ड दैट पेन वॉज द मेन रीजन विच वॉज लेटिंग मी अटैच विथ माई बुक्स। ये मुझे पता ही नहीं था। सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट रियलाइजेशन. Second thing which I'll tell you, which I have realized not being in touch with the books is procrastination. जो कि मैंने अभी जस्ट जिक्र किया आपसे. Yes, I've started to procrastinate. कई मेरे ऐसी चीज़ें थी जो मुझे करना था, बट आई टुक 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. कोई पुश नहीं मिला, कोई फोर्स नहीं मिला. एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस इन माई प्रीवियस वीडियोज, बींग विद अ बुक ऑलवेज मेक्स मी फील दैट आई हैव अ मेंटर अराउंड, आई हैव अ गाइड विथ मी 24/7. वो गाइड नहीं था. आई हैड नो बडी टू टेल मी टू गेट अप एंड डू दिस वर्क. नो, I had no that constant motivation. So this is the second stuff which I realized. Third stuff that I realized was that to read you need lot of time to stay alone. And when you are constantly alone, you have nothing to do, you read a lot. But when you have ample time, ample things to do, surrounded by people who love you a lot, at that time you need to take that me time out. You have to tell yourself that I need this 1 hour to read. There is a lot of efforts you need to put into for reading. This is the change which I observed. So yeah, a lot of learnings again without a book, I'd say, for this month. And this is gonna be a very short video, but a very honest video. I mean, you all, if you have been readers in your life, and for once or a while, if you have left reading, I guess आप समझ पाओगे मैं जो कहना चाह रही हूँ. ये जो feeling है ना, that you are not willing to read now. ये बहुत गलत सी फीलिंग है जो मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि आई हैव बीन फीलिंग दिस सिंस पास्ट 8 days बिकॉज आई हैव नथिंग टू डू स्टिल आई वाज नॉट रीडिंग आई वाज लाइक क्या करूँ मैं सो नाउ आई फील दैट आई शुड हैव लॉट ऑफ बुक्स लिटिल मोर न्यू बुक्स अराउंड आपको नए बुक्स खरीदने पड़ेंगे आप ओल्ड बुक्स के साथ भी बहुत पीस पे चले जाते हो सो बहुत जल्दी इन माई सिटी आई एम गोना हैव अ बुक फेयर आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर द सेम इट्स फ्रॉम ट्यूजडे itself and I'll be rushing back to all the new books, ordering the books and all. So once you get new books, you have that energy to read little more. And I've not been doing that since a month as well. So please buy new books. Be like constantly have this thing of habit of always buying a good book. So I hope that you could connect with me. If you couldn't, I'll tell you that if you are for the first time into reading, go for a storybook, go for a horror book, which becomes very interesting for you guys to read because this constant stuff of not being into touch with books won't ever let you read. आप बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ेंगे अगर आप बुक से अलग हो गए तो आप पढ़ना बंद कर देंगे तो ये तो मैं बिल्कुल समझ चुकी हूँ और मैंने आपके साथ ये शेयर किया है अगर आपके साथ भी ऐसी कोई स्टोरी है then do let me know. Till then, I am gonna be back with book reviews. I'm not gonna stop this. I'm gonna be very much more indulged into books now. That's what I promised myself. So I'll see you later in the next video, and that's gonna be a book review for sure. Take care. Bye bye.